watched from the sidelines, shaking their heads. He was a storm of rage, turning words into shreds. All for a moment, a simple mistake, but he couldn't let go, he couldn't hit the brake. There he goes, losing his mind, over a honk, left reason behind. Now he's yelling, calling out names, acting like a carrot, fanning the flames. Go low, lying low. Go low, go low. The light turned green, but he stayed stuck in red, caught in his anger by his own words led. And as he drove away, the moment lingered on. A man lost in his rage long after the horn was gone. The horn was gone. Oh, 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 oh. The horn was gone. The light turned green, but he stayed stuck in red, caught in his anger by his own words led. And as he drove away, the moment lingered on. A man lost in his rage long after the horn was gone. The horn was gone.